Hey, fellow Ketonians, is that even a word? Well, it is now. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I got from Amazon. Um, and it came in a package like this. And we get rid of that. And this is what it comes in. And this just surprised me. It's just an envelope. But I have to tell you, it's done very well, and it's from Mr. and Mrs. Keto. I didn't know there was a Mr. and Mrs. Keto, but now we know. And this is the Keto Nutrition Guide. So let's open it up, and I'm going to show you what you get when your package arrives. Okay. Nice envelope. I'm impressed already. All right, let's get these little guys out. And due to the fact that they're magnetic, they're sticking together, and you get, wait for it, yep, you get two of them. All right, so here you are. They stick with each other. Anyway, I'm not on the keto diet. My wife is just about ready to get on it, and we're 75, and but you always want to be looking good, feeling healthy, being healthy, feeling good. That's what I was trying to get at. Anyway, the reason I got this particular one, and if you've been on those listings, everybody seems to have one. But I want you to look at how this is laid out. Well, it's kind of hard to see in the camera there. How this is laid out and the size of the font. Did I mention to you that we're 75? We have glasses. So anyway, we need something that we're going to be able to just kind of glance at, or she does, glance at, and she can find out what the carbs are, what the calories are, whatever else there is on there. Anti-carb, well, I don't know if there's anti-carbs, high octane, whatever. So anyway, this is what you get when your package arrives, and this is what I would suggest. And the size of these are perfect. I would suggest all those magnets that you have on the refrigerator, kind of spread those out a little bit, slap this up, slap this one up right next to it. Can you see? You can't see that. I'm just having a heck of a time here. Anyway, and then put the magnets around it, huh? And if you have a little, picture from your 5-year-old from kindergarten, just move that down a little bit. They won't notice. They won't notice. Trust me. So what's nice about this is you could just glance over on your refrigerator, take a look at it, and tell at a glance what's good, what's bad, and what's iffy. I don't know. So that's what you get when your package arrives. And I apologize because I'm looking up here at my screen and the camera's down here. Sorry. Anyway, that's why I'm looking up there. So this is what you get when your package arrives, and hopefully this is helpful. And also the price is just ridiculously cheap. So go figure. All right. Have a good day. Okay, Ketonians, I forgot to mention that there is magnetic backing on both of these. So it's not like you have a little magnet here, a little magnet there, a little there, a little there. After a while, it starts sliding down the refrigerator. This whole thing is a magnet. Anyway, I wanted to come back on and tell you that. So, all right, so go back and have another good day. All right, bye-bye.